videography allows you the chance to showcase your company and at a different dimension to what standard video can offer. Add to that our range of aerial 3D mapping and surveying enterprise drones, and already you know that we have you covered when it comes to any and all of your aerial video, mapping or surveying needs. The Mavic 3 Cine not only records aerial video at high resolution and frame rates, it can shoot up to 5.1K at 60 frames a second. It also captures up to 1 billion colors with a 10-bit D-Log color profile. This delivers more natural gradations of sky coloring with more details retained for greater flexibility in post-production. The Mavic 3 130K and Mavic 2 Enterprise are your solution for smart inspections, live mission recordings, scanning that includes 3D mapping, LiDAR scanning, photogrammetry, multi and hyperspectral scanning and thermal imaging. We also have FPV first-person viewer drones that give you a bird's eye view of any environment. Simply put on the goggles and we will fly you anywhere. Excellent for client demos, site inspections, tourism and real estate. The sky really is the limit. Here it is.